So hello guys, and I just switched my phone on, so it's a brand new account, and I'm gonna testing my new editing software, BND ito or video, something like that. So let's play a game. So let's go to my favorite. Okay. Oh no, someone's already attacking me. Go. Yeah. Double kill. Okay, let's go. So hello guys again, but my mom called me, so I have to leave my room. But I think we are losing, so let's go. I need to attack them. They destroyed point A. So let's go. Let's fight back, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bang! Yeah, attack. Yeah. So it's a point B. And let's destroy them. Go faster. Yeah. Go. We're gonna win. Yeah. We win. Victory. Our first victory in my new phone. So let's play another round. Discard. So let's see my reward. Oh no, Shopee. Oh no, one ad. So I'm gonna skip this, guys, so you won't have to wait. So we're done, guys. Okay, I can upgrade him. Okay. Ooh. Now let's go back and let's play another round. Okay, best of cat. I'm going to destroy you. Let's go, guys. Oh no, they're here. But I'm stronger than them. Oh no. Best of cat, I'm going to kill you. Oh no, they're attacking point A. Yeah! They destroyed point A. I'm gonna destroy you, best of cat. Let's kill him. Yes. We destroy him. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Let's go. Let's destroy their point B. They're destroy our point A. Sorry guys if my English is not good today because I'm not feeling well. Okay, double kill. Let me get a double kill. Yeah, I just killed your best of cat. Ouch! That hurt, man. Ah! Oh no! Destroy this. Yeah. I'm not gonna lose to your best of cat. Oh no! I died. Oh no, let's go to you. Yeah. Best of cat. Yes, destroyed you. Okay, let's go. Quick. Yeah. Easy win, guys. Easy win. Oh no, someone's stacking me. Someone's in there. Okay, there you gone. Oh no, I died again. Oh no. Let's go. My best attacker. Let's destroy their C before they destroy ours. Go. Yes. We destroyed them. Another victory. Five max frag streak. So keep. Oh. Oh, I don't have a diamond. Okay, let's wait for that. 90. Okay, XP. The XP. Long shot. Okay. So last game, guys, before I quit because as my head hurts now. And okay, let's go. Let's go. Try that. I'm gonna be here. Hey bro, I'm here. Bang. Get stunned, dude. What? Oh no. That's a big no, Jay. Let's go. Okay, this is destroy point B. Let's go destroy point A. Attack. I am slower. Yeah. Yes, let's go. Yeah, this killed you. Let's go to A. Yeah. We're nothing amatang. We're just a gun. Okay, let's go to C. Oh no! Attack C, attack! Let's go, someone's attacking C. Alright, we're going to win. Oh no, long shot. Yeah! Let's go. Yes, another win. I already got at 6 streak, guys. So thank you guys for watching my another video. Hope you like it and see you to the next one. Goodbye.